Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we can use about interpretation by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to number 2 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have number 4 tan t square, number 4 and number 4. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. So I will put this one gone here and here. ds that is about this one. So we have number 4 tan t square. So number 4 and number 4. We can do about factorization. This one that is about secant of t square. And now we need to simplify, and you got about 1/2. So number 2 and number 2 in here, that is about number 4. 4 with number 2, that is about number 8. And this one, that is about cosine t square. About cosine t square, that is about cosecant of t square minus number 1. So the integration of this one, that is about negative cosine of t. Number 1, that is about t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. And now we can find the value of t, that is about octane of s over number 2. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.